Huh? I told him to come, he told me he will delay 1-2 hours. Over the track.
We don't want to go off this.
Obviously, yes. I'll take video.